In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear cache in Chrome. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to click right here at these three dots at the top right corner to bring up this menu. And here we need to click at settings almost at the very bottom of this list. Once it is done and you are at Chrome web browser settings, you need to go to the privacy and security, and here we can easily find clear browsing data. Now I'm gonna click right here, and then in this pop-up we need to select cached images and files, and then we need to deselect all the other options in here to be able to clear just cached images and files and keep all the other data safe. And then at the top here we can choose time range for which we would like our cache to be cleared. Here we can choose last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, and last 4 weeks. Also we can select all time. Just to demonstrate you how it works, I'm gonna select last hour, and then all we have to do, guys, is just hit right here at clear data button, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.